Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to create a wine shop website using Shopify. First, be sure to check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify and also a $1 for 1 month one-time deal. So without further ado, let's get going. First, we're going to go here on the top left to products. We're going to click on add product and we're going to start uploading our online store products. For example, I'm going to start with my red wine, and here for the description I'm going to use the built-in AI of Shopify. You can see here, if I put red wine and I click on generate, it's going to give me a description for my product. So I can either choose to generate again or to keep it. I'm just going to click here on keep, and as you can see, the description is now pasted right over here. For media, I'm going to click on upload new, and we are going to select the image for our product. Below our image, we're going to have our category section. Here, usually Shopify is going to choose a category for us, and it's almost always going to be correct. But if we want, we can click here and we can change it if we want. Here we have the pricing section. Let's say, for example, I'm going to charge 15,000 pesos for our wine, and our cost per item is going to be around 8,000 pesos. This is going to give us a 7,000 pesos profit at a 46.7% margin of profit. For inventory, I'm just going to uncheck this because I'm not going to keep track of inventory. And here we also have a shipping section in which we can assign weight to our products in case we're going to do any kind of shipping. If we go over here, we also have product type, vendor, collection, and tax section. Here on collections, make sure to add your products to your homepage collection so that they can be displayed on your homepage. For tax, for example, let's say that we're going to put wine. And once we are done uploading our product, we are going to click here on save, and our first product would be ready. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on add product again, and I'm going to keep uploading all of the products of my online store. So I'll be back with you guys once I'm done doing that. So as you can see here, I have added a lot of other products. For example, I have added a white wine, a rose wine. We have the red wine that I uploaded first, and also a red, white, and rose combo. So next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to our online store and we're going to start to customize it. Now the first thing that we're going to be able to customize is going to be the themes. So over here, if we go down, we can see that Shopify is going to give us a lot of free themes to use, or we can choose to visit the theme store right over here. And once it's done uploading, you can see that we are going to have a lot of different themes that can maybe better suit our website. For me, I'm just going to keep with the default one for now. So we're going to go back over here and we're going to click on customize so that we can start customizing our website. Now over here we have what we're going to call sections. You can see that they are outlined by a blue line, and over here on the top left we can see the name of the section. This is going to be our image banner. So here on the right we have a lot of different options to customize it. First, we're going to select an image and we're going to click on add images, and we're going to select an image to be our banner. Once it's done uploading, we're going to click on done, and as you can see, the background for my banner is going to change. Next, I'm going to change the text right over here of our heading. For example, let's put welcome to my wine store. And as you can see, the text right over here is going to change. Now if we go back to this section, you can see that we have a lot of different options to further customize it, so feel free to play with these options if you so want. But let's say that we want to add a new section. For example, if we go over here on the left to template, we're going to click on add section right over here, and a lot of different options are going to appear. We're going to have featured collections, featured product, collection list, etc. For me, I'm just going to choose a featured product. I'm going to click on it, and if we go over here on the top right, we're going to click on select product, and we're going to choose, for example, our red wine. As you can see, our product is now being displayed right here on our section. And if we want to change things up, for example, we're going to change the color scheme. As you can see, the background is now a nice dark theme. Now let's say that we have added a new section by mistake. For example, let's add a new featured collection and we want to delete this section. What we're going to do is we're going to click on this section, and here on the bottom right we're going to click the trash can which says remove section, and as you can see this section is now removed. Now we can also add sections to our footer. For example, we can add an email sign up and a custom liquid, or the same goes to our header. We can add an announcement bar and a custom liquid. Another very important thing about our header is going to be this thing right over here, which says my store. Now this is going to display our store name. So if we want to change it, we're going to save our changes over here, and we're going to exit, and we're going to go to the home page of Shopify. Here we're going to click on name your store, and here we are going to be able to change our store's name. I'm just going to put, for example, wine store, and I'm going to save the changes. So in order to see that all the changes are made and everything is set up just the way we want, we're going back to the online store, and we're going to click over here on the three dots, and we're going to click on preview. This is going to redirect us to our website, and as you can see over here, the name has now changed and it says wine store now. So if we go down, we can see that every section is customized just the way we want. So just make sure that everything is set up the way that you want. Once we are done with that, we're going to go over the analytics section and the marketing section, which are going to be really important section for us. They are going to tell us our total sales, our sales by channel, our total orders, the average order value, and a lot of different things, such as which products are going to be the most popular amongst our customers, and a lot of different things and information, which is going to be really helpful for us in order to manage and customize our website and our business all from the same place. Lastly, the last thing that I wanted to show you is going to be the discount section. Here, if we click on add the discount, I'm going to choose an amount of products. We're going to be able to customize our own discount for our online store. Here for the code, we can either choose one ourselves, for example, wine 101, or we can click over here on generate random code, and Shopify is going to provide us with a random code. Here we can choose which kind of percentage of which kind of discount, sorry, it's going to be. I'm going to choose a percentage amount, for example, and it's going to be a 10% discount. Here we can choose which collections are going to be eligible for our discount. For example, I'm going to click here on browse, and I'm going to choose my homepage collection. Now all the products on my homepage collection would be eligible for this discount. If we keep going down, we can see further customization for our discount. For example, if we need a minimum purchase requirements for it to work, the customer eligibility, the maximum discount uses, the combinations, and we can also set an expiration date right over here. I'm going to choose set end date, and let's say today is the 15th. If I want it to last a week, I'm going to click right over here on the 22, so that my discount would have a 1 week lifetime. So once we are done, we're going to click here on save discount, and we're going to go back, and as you can see now we would have our first discount ready to either post on social media, maybe gift to a friend, or just use however we would like to. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify, and also a $1 for 1 month one-time deal. So be sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you guys next time.